Hello everyone, Senior Master Reed here. Hope that you are feeling phenomenal today. We have a lot of things taking place and I want to make sure we cover it. The first off is we have testing next Wednesday and Thursday in class and graduation next Friday at the Kennesaw Rec Center. Start time is at 7 o'clock, 6:45 will be entry time in terms of when you guys can kind of enter the gym and be ready to do your thing over there. With that being said, registration deadline for testing is this Friday. It is a firm deadline. If for some reason your child is not registered, we cannot guarantee that they're going to have their belt and their certificate and all the things that we need to have for them at the graduation. So it's imperative that get done. If you look on our signs, if you look on the website, you'll see I've got a QRC code so that you can just quickly scan, get to the page and register. So please take care of that this week. Today will be a good day to do that. Also, this Friday, we have our holiday, parents' night out. And basically what we want to do is give back to you guys. Admission is free. We just require that each child bring one guest only and a present valued at $15 or under that's wrapped so we can take care of some other kids and so forth, and we think that that'll do a big job. After that, on the 17th, Guru Bahati, my Kuntal Silat instructor and Naga instructor will be in town. He'll be teaching and he'll be going over the various weapons that he trains in his system, the Sabaton, the Liuium, the Minis, and so forth. These are very unique weapons. So that's what we got for you guys right now. Terima kasih, aloha, one love.